Super, thank you. Welcome back, everyone. Appreciate it. Appreciate all your past support. Let's just jump right on in. This is Robert at Custodian File. Today is December 20th, 24, 6:24 p.m. Los Angeles time. So there's a reason why I'm going down to the minute here. This is some strange synchronicity going on. So I just posted this video yesterday. This was a fireball recorded August 6, 2018. It was in the sky all night, about 3 degrees off the horizon. It was there all night, just sitting there. It's one of these mysteries I don't know if we'll ever figure out. It's got us all baffled. But as we speak right now, look at this channel right here. Mr. Forbes, he just posted this. He says this is a reflection of ball lightning through the lens, and this is on the wall. And I subscribed to his channel, so that it just popped up. So wow, this is like really playing with my head here, because I don't know. This is this plasma stuff. So this plasma stuff is all of a sudden all over in the news. As you know, I've been reporting that these UAPs, these small fast mover UAPs, operate on plasma going back to 2017. But now it looks like somehow the same images are popping up. And again, we don't know what we're recording in the sky here. That's just all I could do is document and post and just let other people analyze this stuff. But I'll tell you what, I'm really glad I posted this yesterday, because I'm sure somebody would have said, Robert, this really looks a lot like Mr. Forbes' video, and it would look really fishy. I would agree. So I'm glad somehow I got this out. And of course, I reposted this fireball many, many years ago too. But still, wow, what is up with this? Okay, if you like what you see, please remember to like, subscribe, comment. Let me get your feedback. If you're puzzled, I'm puzzled right now too. Whoa. Okay, let me show you some dragon video. Let me show you as much as you can, because I know there's a lot happening. New Jersey's happening here. Let's go forward. I'll put my 2 cents in. Okay. Okay, remember this video from 2020 or 3 years ago? I'm just recording the hawk. It's a windy day. Look at these 3 objects. Look at these 3 orbs in the background. 2 white, 1 dark there. I interpolated the video, very time consuming. That's where you just copy, paste. And I really think, in my opinion, I don't think these are 3 orbs, because when you look at the interpolation, you see how they kind of sway to the right and sway to the left at the same time. I think this is a big triangle ship that's stealth, cloaked. What do you think, guys? This is one of a kind. I think it's probably one of my best videos that I accidentally ever recorded. Again, I'm just recording the hawk, not looking for anything else. Of course, there's no way of knowing how big this ship is. I know the hawk was about 300-400 feet from the camera. But I don't know if that helps very much. But nevertheless, phenomenal, right? These triangle ships. Because they seem to be popping up now in the New Jersey. People taking pictures of triangles. I'm going to show you one here. That's why I'm showing you this one. This is just phenomenal. This is just whatever this. And if this is a triangle, why? I mean, if it's a point on each triangle, why the 2 points white and 1 dark? It's just, wow. If we could sit down with these guys, it's one of the questions we got to, what's going on here? Tell us, talk to us. All right, let's go to the forward here. Let's see that New Jersey triangle. All right here from Jack on Cosmic Road from today. So yeah, look at this. We still got this stuff on New Jersey, and it's like, you know what I think's going on here, and I'm not repeating somebody else's theory. This is just my theory from critical thinking, because it's just puzzling. It's puzzling, and I don't like puzzles. I need answers. I think we're looking at 2 truthful narratives. The first narrative is A lot of these drones are the Air Force Reapers. They're looking, they're sniffing, they're looking for something in the air. I don't need to specifically. I mean, you obviously know they're sniffing something. So as you know, though, all at the same time, all aircraft do get tagged by UAPs, and especially these dragons. So there's two truthful narratives. We've got the Air Force Reapers looking in the sky, and then when they're getting tagged by dragons, because people are saying, no, I'm seeing UFOs. And of course, these triangle ships, these got to be, these pretty much got to be like real UFOs right here. What we need to do, everyone, I need your help on the East Coast. So as you know, I have a radar detector on my camera, and I'll show you some more radar X and K-band videos. But I just pointed at these drones when they fly by, and they trigger the radar spectrum. So I need somebody on the East Coast. Take your car radar detector. You can get a used one on eBay, $30, $40. Point it at the sky. If you see these drones, please point it at the sky. Press video on your cell phone at the same time so you can document it. If that thing goes off, please let us know, let me know. Because if that radar detector, if you're pointing it at the sky and it says K-band, X-band, is very likely you are recording a UFO, a UAP, and you have documented on your phone. So, and that's original theory. Nobody else is doing that on the planet. So let's stay ahead of this. Please, there's got to be a few people on the East Coast that are willing to try this. Or for that matter, just anywhere in the country. But there's just so many drones going on right now on the East Coast. That'd be the easiest way to do this. Okay, please feel free to comment. I do want to get some feedback from you. I'm getting a lot of support. The calls are coming in. The videos are coming in. I'll do my best to post them. Please subscribe. Okay, let's go forward. There's a lot to show you. Okay, super. Let me stay caught up here with current events, because some of you are saying, Robert, just don't keep showing us these dragons, do some current events. And you know, that's true, I get it. So let me put my 2 cents in on this current event. So the FAA today said, okay, we're going to have a ban over New Jersey, New York area, and that should fix the problem. So I get it. It's good logic. I've reached out to my people in the FAA. They're getting back to me. Some of my people are saying, oh, that's a different division, Robert. I'll get back to you later. Let me ask around. So I'm doing my part to get you the newest breakthrough information. But so this is where I think this is going, this ban. I think it's great. It's a great concept going forward. I think in the final analysis, it will not change anything. I think we're going to have the same amount of drones in the sky. If anything, I think we're going to have even more drones. The search area will go larger to more states. And then the FAA will expand this ban to other states too. But again, I don't think we're going to see a difference in numbers. That's just my guess, my theory, my conjecture. I think that's the way it's going to play out. Again, let me hear from you. Share your comments, your opinions. I love hearing from you guys. You come up with some really good questions, and I find them challenging, and I look forward to hearing from you. Let's go next. Okay, super. So check this out. I have a brand new viewer, William in the UK. Thank you very much, William. I appreciate the due diligence and your work on this, and your open mind, your curiosity, and all of you for that matter, because you know what? It's paying off. It's working. So William reaches out and he goes, hey, can you find any dragons with the red arrow? And I went through one video and I found an orb. And I said, boy, that was really hard. That I didn't find as many. So he looked through another red arrow Airshow, and they were all over this Airshow. Right in the opening. This is timeline 4 seconds. I mean, it was just right out of the gate. I mean, this is like hitting a grand slam and never holding a baseball bat in your life, and you just pick it up, and you know, this is unexplainable to get this lucky so quickly. So he showed me where the video was. I copied, I interpolated, and there it is. Look at this. It almost does not get better. The clarity, the blue skies. This looks like it's 4K, also 60 frames. That dragon's coming right off the ground, right behind that tree, just coming right off, flies up. I couldn't ask for a better. So really, this is a team effort. This is why I'm putting this out there. I'm making the effort. So all of us, we learn how to do this. We could record these ourselves. We know how to find them because we know they like air shows. But they could just be anywhere offhand, and they don't necessarily. A lot of people are saying, Robert, I'm recording these without airplanes, and I know you are, and it's great video. It's just that I don't want you to waste your time. With me, the probability goes way up when you record a helicopter, airplanes, or look at air shows. So that's just the fastest way. I mean, if I record a helicopter, I could capture a dragon within 15 seconds. I mean, really, it's that fast. Airspace, it literally would take me probably 15 minutes, trial and error, and I don't have that time. I really don't. Yeah, there it is. There's the, I don't have the IP, but you have the title. So I'll leave it at that here. If you have any questions, again, please reach out. Please subscribe. I need you to hit that subscriber button. I'll do my best to keep the best videos coming. And I know the rest of you too will keep me in the loop. We're going to make disclosure happen. It looks like it's not going to be given to us. It looks like the government's not going to volunteer anything, unfortunately. So we'll make it happen. That's no problem. We got super smart people watching. We can make it. We're going to get together. We're going to make it happen for the rest of us. Okay, this is Robert at Custodian Files. Stay safe. Thank you so much.